Tracie here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make bookmarks out of these really cool ornaments that you get from the store. Of course, you can make these yourself, but when they go on super clearance or when they're super cheap, sometimes it's just easier, and especially during the holidays, it can get really crazy. So these are really fun to make, super easy craft, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I picked these up at the Hobby Lobby for like 40% off. So I think that means they were like $2.50. Maybe they weren't 40% off. Actually, I think they were 60% off. They were cheap. I want to say they were 60% off. I think they were somewhere under $2 a piece, under $2 for the pack. And in this pack you get 6, and you get 6 in this pack as well. So, you know, I thought for $2 it'd be really fun little bookmarks to make, and maybe put them on a Christmas package, or you can even use these on tags as well. So you're not limited to bookmarks. But I thought today it'd be kind of fun to make a couple bookmarks and just to have those ready to go for a real just cute gift or something to give to somebody. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that and get started. I'm going to protect my work surface today because I am going to be using hot glue gun, and that hot glue gun can be quite messy. I'm going to be using some leftover ribbon that I have. This is just my ribbon stash. Anytime I find ribbon or collect ribbon, it ends up in the jar. The jar of ribbon. And I'm going to be using these drop paper clips I got from the dollar store. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take out some of these little cute little owls. I will probably use, say I'm supposed to get 6 in here, and it looks like I only got 5. Wah, wah. You might want to double check yours next time before you buy them. Make sure you get the right amount of animals. I only got 5, and it says it should have came with 6. Oh well, no worries. Yeah, I'm going to use the little birds too, so let's go ahead and do those. But wouldn't these be real cute even on a little Christmas card? So you can just put the little owl on there, and you know, you can't really go wrong with $2, especially if you get them on sale. Unless you get one less than you were supposed to get. Anyways, I'm going to just grab some ribbon. And I think I'm going to grab a green, these little paper clips. Now these are bigger paper clips than what you normally get. They're like jumbo paper clips. And I think I will use this red ribbon here that looks like it's coming up from the spool. Here we go. Let's just get it all out. Why not? Why not? So fun. Lots of ribbon. All kinds of ribbon to play with today. And I don't know about you, but when I collect, I just find it laying around, I just grab it, throw it in the jar. Throw it in the jar. So to do this, I'm just going to take my ribbon and wrap it around the bookmark like so. Okay. And I'm going to take the other ribbon here and maybe just chop it off. Maybe I'll cut it in half if that, well, what if it will do more than, I want to just see. Let's make it do 3. Yeah, hopefully I could get 3 out of this piece of ribbon. Let's just see. So if I cut it there, let me just measure this for you in case you're following along with me and you want to know what size. This piece of ribbon is about 13, let's see. That would be 13, about 13 centimeters, 13 and a half centimeters, or about 5 1/4 inches. So I'm just gonna take my paper clip with the part that has the most little curves is gonna be at the bottom. That's the bottom of the paper clip. I'm gonna take my ribbon, and I'm gonna feed it through from the back end. So I'm going to just kind of loop it through the back end here, and then I'm going to loop this other end through the back of it as well, like that. Okay, so now I have two little arms coming out for a hug. And I'm going to hold on to those and just give it a slight little tug as that little red piece starts to go to the top and make its little knot. And that's all I do. It's really easy, guys. See how easy that is? If you want to make sure it stays, I've never had one come apart, but if you want to make sure it stays, just take a little glue dot from your glue gun here and just apply a little dot to the back. Just come here, glue. That should help it stay. Next, I want to add my little owl. So I'm going to take his little piece of string off. I don't want that. Now you could save the string if you want to, and we can, and we'll just use it for another bookmark in a minute. We'll use a bunch of them in another bookmark. I'm going to take my owl, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out where I want him to be placed. I think that I would like his feet to be just right over the top of the end of this paper clip. So I'm just going to place him right there. And then I'm going to add a little bit of glue onto the ribbon. Like that. I'm going to place him down just like that. So now he's secure. Owl is not going anywhere. If you do want to make sure that he doesn't move over time, you can definitely go ahead and add a little bit more glue right where the paper clip touches him if you would like to. I don't think I'm going to, but you can. And I'm going to pull out all of the little strings of glue, and then I'm going to just cut that ribbon so it's nice, so it looks really nice, just at the ends. Presentation is key. Look how cute that is. So then you can see that when you place them in your Bible, let's just place them in there so you can see on a page that you might be working on or studying. He just kind of sits right out there like that. Isn't he adorable? Okay, let's do one more of the bird this time. Let's do one with this cute bird. I am going to snip off his string. So I'm just going to clip off that string right there, and we'll save that aside. I think I will use a white one, another white one as well, and I think I will go ahead and use the same ribbon. I'm going to cut that one in half, as I think we had just the right size before. Again, I just take my ribbon, I place it on top. First of all, my paper clip is down, so it's pointing to both of the round shapes are facing down. I place my ribbon on top of that, and I feed it through the hole in the top, and then I feed it through the hole in the top here. Okay, just like that. So it's like a guy wanting to give you a hug. And then I just pull my ribbons just up at the top, just to give it a nice little snug top. So cute. And then if you want to secure it with a little bit of glue, you can. I'm only going to secure it with a little glue because I'm sending these to somebody. Okay, just like that. Then I want to place my bird again. I think I want to place him just, I don't like these little guys here, so I try to get my little birdie to just touch those two edges, and that's where I want to put them. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little glue down here on the ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and place that bird right down where I want him, and let that glue just sit and dry for just a minute. Just push it in just a little bit, but don't touch that glue with your finger because it can really get hot. Okay. And then I'm going to snip off the top of this. Isn't that pretty? So cute. Make it even. Pull off any extra glue that might be lingering. And let's see what he looks like next to the owl. That's so cute. Oh, I just get a kick out of it. What's also great is that these will go great in your planners too. So if you have a planner, let me grab mine here. You can actually also put them in your planner or in your books or anywhere you want to. Be a great way to decorate your planner for Christmas. Oh, fun. Okay, I'm going to do one more so that we can use these extra pieces. So let me just cut off some of these little pieces of twine. And let me do another red one. So I have 2 red pieces of twine, and I have two white pieces of twine. No sense in throwing these away. You might as well just use them since they're sitting out here anyways, right? So I'm just going to cut off the top like that. Cut off the little knots. Cut off the knots. So now I have just 4 pieces of twine. Just like that. I think I'd like to get them to be all the same size as I'm working with them. So I think I'm going to cut them so they're all the same size. It's just easier to work that way. They're like little candy canes. I'm going to use the white one again. Mostly because I'm sticking with the same theme. I'm going to put these in through the top, and I'm just going to knot them this time. Just want to make sure they're even. And I'm just going to tie them in a knot. Like that. And don't throw away these extra strings because they work just fine. Little toppers. They're super cute, just like the other ones are super cute. So are these. And also, if you don't have any ribbon at home, you can still use the top of your little owls. The top of the little hangers. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add, this time, I'm going to add the glue to the knot. So be careful because this knot is smaller than the ribbon. So I'm just going to add a little dollop of glue, and then I'm going to add my owl where I want him placed. Right about there. Gonna let him sit here for a little bit because the glue is going to start to dry, and I have it on this non-stick craft mat here. And I'm going to try to pull him out without pulling up anything else. Perfect. He's got like crazy hair coming out. Oh, he's so cute. I kind of want to now cut off all of, I think what I want to do is cut off all of them and make him have like really crazy hair. I wonder if we could do it with the bird. Make the bird have really crazy hair. Let's do that. And then that will be the last bookmark we do. Why not? Let's do all of it. It's cute like this. I think what I'll do, I would like to add a little bit of glue right up here at the top of his head. So he's got this, all of this ribbon, this string just kind of poking out from the top of his head. So cute. It's adorable. Yeah. Ah. Okay, one more. Let me cut off all of these. Cut off this knot. That knot. And that knot. Is that all of them? I think so. One more. Alright. Now we're going to use this, all the string because it's really fun. String, lots of string. Forget the ribbon. We're just going to play with the string. And now I'm just going to line them up in my hand before I make sure I have the right size. You can always cut later. You don't have to cut them the way, you don't have to do this exactly how I'm doing it. But I hope that you are making these bookmarks with me. I hope that you have something that you can use and are just crafting along with me. Why not, right? Let's just have fun together. And I'm going to go ahead and cut these ends like that. Feed that through the paper clip. Make sure they're close to even at the top, and then I'm just going to make my knots. One. You could stop with one knot, but I'm going to do two. And two. Now I have to decide who's going to get the funny hair. I think it should be the bird. I think it should be the bird. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and place this down. I'm going to run a little bit of glue right at the top of his head. And make sure that I place that bird where I want him to have crazy hair coming out. Boy, that glue can get a little bit stringy, can't it? I hope that you'll share some of your bookmarks. Let us know what you're creating over at BibleJournalingMinistries.com. You can share your creations and tag us on Instagram. We're at Bible Journaling Ministries there. You can share your creations on Facebook and tag us there as well. We're at Bible Journaling Ministries there. Is that not the funniest bird? And then if his hair gets a little bit weird, it just kind of comes down like that. Oh, I just love it. It's so cute. How funny are these little bookmarks to make, and how fun are they to make? And I think that people who get them are going to be so delighted that you thought of them and were able to give them something that is a little handmade and super easy and quick, especially during this busy Christmas season. I hope that this video inspires you to make something fun for someone, and I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Goodbye.